Let us continue with exercise 2.1. Question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 upon 2 cm long and 10 integer 2 upon 3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. So length is given 12 integer 1 upon 2 cm. So 12 to the 24 plus 1 25 upon 2 cm. And breadth is given 10 integer 2 upon 3 cm. So 10 is 30 plus 2 32 upon 3 cm. Now perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 25 upon 2 plus 32 upon 3 cm equal to 2 into, you will cross multiply 25 3s and 32 2s. So 25 upon 25 into 3 plus 32 into 2 upon 6 is equal to 2 into 75 plus 64 upon 6 equal to 2 into 139 upon 6 is equal to 139 upon 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So 139 upon 3 equal to, divide 139 by 3, you will get 46 integer 1 upon 3 cm. The question number 5. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and rectangle BCDE in the figure whose perimeter is greater. So here two figures are given. This is triangle and this is rectangle, and the sides are given. The perimeter of triangle ABE equal to, we have to ABE, we have to find the sum of measures of the sides. So AB plus BE plus EA equal to 5 upon 2 plus 2 integer 3 upon 4 plus 3 integer 3 upon 5. These three sides are given. So equal to 5 upon 2 plus 4 to the 8 plus 3 will be 11. 11 upon 4 plus 5 is a 15 plus 3 will be 18. So 18 upon 5. Now here we have to find the LCM. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. So denominator should become 20 now. 2 10s are. So 5 also multiply by 10. 4 5s are 20. So 11 also multiply by 5. 5 4s are 20. So 18 also multiply by 4. So 5 10s are 50, 11 5s are 55 and 18 4s are 72. 50 plus 55 plus 72 upon 20 equal to 177 upon 20. Divide 177 by 20, you will get 8 integer 17 upon 20 cm. Now perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is 2 integer 3 upon 4 cm. Breadth is this one, 7 upon 6 cm. So equal to 2 into 2 multiplied by 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6 equal to, now here LCM is 12. So denominator should become 12. So 4 3s are 11 also multiplied by 3. 6 2s are 7 also multiplied by 2 equal to 2 into 11 3s are 33 plus 7 2s are 14 upon 12 equal to 2 into 33 plus 14 is 47 upon 12. 2 1s are 2 6s are, so equal to 47 upon 6 equal to, divide 47 by 6, you will get 7 integer 5 upon 6 cm. Now perimeter of triangle ABE is 177 upon 20 cm. So we have to convert these two into like fractions now. So 177 upon 20 and 43 upon 6. Okay. So here LCM is 60. You have to make the denominators equal to 60. So 20 means 23 are 60. So 177 multiplied by 3. Both should be multiplied by 3 equal to 531 upon 60. Here 6 multiplied by 10 and 43 multiplied by 10 equal to 430 upon 60. Now 531 upon 60 and 430 upon 60. 531 is greater. So 531 is greater than 430. So 177 upon 20 is greater than 43 upon 6. Now 177 is of triangle ABE. Question number 6. Sahil wants to put a picture in the frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 upon 5 cm wide. Now to fit it in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 upon 10 cm wide. How much should be the picture be trimmed? Now the width of the picture is 7 integer 3 upon 5, and to fit in the frame, the picture should be 7 integer 3 upon 10 cm wide, not more than that. Okay. The width of picture is 7 integer 3 upon 5. So 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5 cm. Required width is 7 integer 3 upon 10 equal to 7 10 is 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10 cm. Now the picture should be trimmed by, trimmed means cut. So cut means minus. So we have to subtract the 2. So 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Here the LCM is 10. So denominator 5 should be multiplied by 2. Also 38 should be multiplied by 2 minus, here 10 is already given, so no multiplication, minus 73 upon 10. So 38 to the 76 minus 73 upon 10 equal to 3 upon 10 centimeter. Now question number 7. Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share and by how much? So part of the apple eaten by Ritu is 3 upon 5. Part of the apple eaten by Somu is 1 minus part of the apple eaten by Ritu. Okay, so total part is 1 and minus part of the apple eaten by Ritu. So 1 minus 3 upon 5. 1 minus 3 upon 5, here cross multiply, 5 ones are 5 minus 3 will be 2 upon 5. So Somu ate 2 upon 5 part of an apple. So here this is 3 upon 5 Ritu's part and 2 upon 5 is Somu's part. So 3 is greater than 2. So Ritu had the larger share. So how much larger? We have to find the difference. So difference between the two shares is 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. 3 minus 2 will be 1. So 1 upon 5. Therefore Rita's share is larger than the share of Somu by 1 upon. Question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 upon 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 upon 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So time taken by Michael is 7 upon 12 hour. Time taken by Vaibhav is 3 upon 4 hour. Now to compare the two fractions, first we have to convert them into like fractions. Converting this fraction into like fraction we obtain. So how to convert into like fraction? First we have to find out the LCM of the denominator. 4 and 12. So LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. So here is already 12. So no need to convert. Here we have to convert. So 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12. So 3 also multiplied by 3 equal to, it will be 9 upon 12. And 1 is 9 upon 12, 1 is 7 upon 12. Out of these two, so 9 is greater than 7. So Vaibhav worked longer. Okay. And how much longer? We have to find the difference. So difference is equal to 9 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12 equal to 9 minus 7 is 2 upon 12. Cutting by 2 table, 2 ones are, 2 6 are. So equal to 1 upon 6 hour. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. 3 multiplied by 7 upon 4. So 3 will be multiplied by the numerator, that is 7, equal to 3 into 7 upon 4 equal to 21 upon 4. Now 2 into 3 upon 5 equal to 2 into 3 upon 5 equal to 6 upon 5. Fraction as an operator of 1 upon 4 of 5 equal to 1 upon 4 into 5 equal to 1 into 5 upon 4 equal to 5 upon 4. So of represents multiplication. Start exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Which of the drawings A to D show 2 into 1 upon 5, 2 into 1 upon 2, 3 into 2 upon 3 and 3 into 1 upon 4. Now see, here 2 into 1 upon 5 means 2 figures in which 5 parts are total and 1 part is shaded. So which are the two figures? These are the two figures in which total are 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 parts, and in both the parts 1 part is shaded. 1 part is shaded out of 5 equal parts. Here also 1 part is shaded out of 5 equal parts. So 1 matches with D. Second one, 2 into 1 upon 2. Here 2 figures such that total parts are 2 and shaded part is 1. So these are the two figures, okay, in which total parts are 2. See, 2 parts are there total. Out of these 2 parts, 1 part is shaded. Here also 2 parts are there. Out of these 2, 1 part is shaded. So 2 matches with B. Now third one, 3 into 2 upon 3. Here 3 figures in which out of 3 equal parts, 2 parts are shaded. Okay. So which are the 3 figures? This one. Okay. Here 3 figures are there. So 3 into, and out of total 3 parts, each figure is having 3 parts total. 2 parts are shaded. So 3 into 2 upon 3 matches with A. And fourth one, 3 into 1 upon 4. So 3 figures in which total are 4 parts and shaded part is 1. So here these are the 3 figures. In each figure total parts are 4 and shaded part is 1. So 3 into 1 upon 4 matches with C. Question number 2. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show C. 1, 2, 3 questions are given. 3 into 1 upon 5 equal to 3 upon 5. 2 into 1 upon 3 equal to 2 upon 3. And 3 into 3 upon 4 equal to 2 integer 1 upon 4. Now here 3 into 1 upon 5 means 3 pictures in which 5 total parts are there and shaded part is 1. So these are the 3 pictures in which total parts are 5 and in each figure shaded part is 1, and equal to 3 upon 5 means total part are 5 and shaded part is 3. So here total part are 5 and shaded part is 3. So this one matches with C. Now second one, 2 into 1 upon 3 equal to 2 upon 3. So 2 into 1 upon 3 means 2 figures in which total part are 3, shaded part is 1. So these are the 2 figures in which total part are 3, 1, 2, 3 total part and shaded part is 1, and equal to 2 upon 3 means total parts are 3 and shaded part are 2. So here total part are 3, shaded part is 2. So 2 matches with A. Now third one, 3 into 3 upon 4, 3 figures in which total part are 4, shaded part are 3. So these are the 3 figures in which total part are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and shaded part are 3, 1, 2, 3 part are shaded, equal to 2 integer 1 upon 4. 2 parts are completely shaded and 1 part, 4 out of 4 equal parts, 1 part is shaded. Okay, so out of 4 equal part, 1 part is shaded. So third matches with the figure B. Question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Now here the examples are given. In these examples, here you will multiply 7 into 3 upon 5. So this 7 you will multiply by 3. 7 means 7 upon 1. So 7 into 3, that is 21 upon 5. Divide 21 by 5, you will get 4 integer 1 upon 5. 4 into 1 upon 3 means 4 ones are 4. 4 upon 3 equal to, divide 4 by 3, you will get 1 integer 1 upon 3. 2 into 6 upon 7, 2 6 are 12. So 12 upon 7, divide 12 by 7, you will get 1 integer 5 upon 7. 5 into 2 upon 9 equal to 5 2s are 10. So 10 upon 9 equal to, divide 10 by 9, you will get 1 integer 1 upon 9. 2 upon 3 into 4 means 2 4s are. So 4 2s are 8 upon 3 equal to, divide 8 by 3, you will get 2 integer 2 upon 3. 5 upon 2 into 6, so 5 will be multiplied by 6. So 30 upon 2 means 2 1s are 2 15s are 30. So equal to 15. 11 into 4 upon 7, so 11 4s are 44. So 44 upon 7, divide 44 by 7, you will get 6 integer 2 upon 7. And 20 into 4 upon 5 equal to 16. How it will be 16? 5 1s are 5 4s are 20. So 4 4s are 16. So 16. 13 into 1 upon 3 will be 13 1s are 13. So 13 upon 3 equal to, divide 13 by 3, you will get 4 integer 1 upon 3. 15 into 3 upon 5, it will be 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. So 3 3s are 9. Question number 6. Here shade 1 upon 2 of the circles in the box, 2 upon 3 of the triangles in the box and 3 upon 5 of the square in the box. So here 3 figures are given. So first one is 1 upon 2 of the circles in the box. In first figure there are 12 circles. So 12 into 1 upon 2, that means 6. So out of these 12 you will shade 6 circles. Okay, 6 circles you have to shade. Second figure, in this figure 9 triangles are given and the part is given here 2 upon 3. So 9 into 2 upon 3, so 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are will be 6. So 6 parts you will shade out of these 9 parts. Now third part is given here 3 upon 5 of the squares. So total squares are 15. So 3 upon 5 into 15 equal to 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 parts you have to shade out of 15 parts in this given rectangle. Question number 5. Find 1 upon 2 of 24 and 46. Of means multiplication. So 1 upon 2 into 24 and 1 upon 2 into 46. So 1 upon 2 into 24 equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24, so 12. 1 upon 2 into 46 means 2 1s are 2, 2 23s are, so 23. Now second one, 2 upon 3 of 18 and 27. So 2 upon 3 into 18 and 2 upon 3 into 27. So 2 upon 3 into 18 means 3 1s are 3 6 are 18 and 6 2s are 12. So 12 answer. 2 upon 3 into 27 means 3 1s are 3 9s are 27 and 9 2s are will be 18. Now next one, 3 upon 4 of 16 and 36. So 3 upon 4 into 16 and 3 upon 4 into 36. So 3 upon 4 into 16 equal to 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are will be 12. 3 upon 4 into 36 means 4 1s are 4 9s are 36 and 9 3s are will be 27. And last one 4 upon 5 into 20 and 4 upon 5 into 35. So 4 upon 5 into 20 means 5 1s are 5 4s are 20 and 4 4s are will be 16. 4 upon 5 into 35 means 5 1s are 5 7s are 35 and 7 4s are will be 28. Question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So 3 into 5 integer 1 upon 5. So equal to 3 into 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 will be 26. 26 upon 5. So 26 multiplied by 3 equal to 78 upon 5. Divide 78 by 5. You will get 15 integer 3 upon 5. Second one 5 into 6 integer 3 upon 4. So 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 will be 27. So 5 into 27 upon 4 equal to 135 upon 4. Divide 135 by 4, you will get 33 integer 3 upon 4. Third one, 7 into 2 integer 1 upon 4. Open it. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 7 into 9 upon 4 equal to 9 7s are 63. 63 upon 4 equal to, divide 63 by 4, you will get 15 integer 3 upon 4. Now 4 into 6 integer 1 upon 3 equal to 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 upon 3. So 4 into 19 upon 3 equal to 19 4s are 76. 76 upon 3 equal to, divide 76 by 3, you will get 25 integer 1 upon 3. Now 3 integer 1 upon 4 into 6 equal to 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. So 13 upon 4 into 6. 6 into 13 will be 78. 78 upon 4 equal to, cut by 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 39s are. So 39 upon 2 equal to, divide 39 by 2, you will get 19 integer 1 upon 2. 3 integer 2 upon 5 into 8 equal to 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 will be 17. So 17 upon 5 into 8 equal to 136 upon 5 equal to, divide 136 upon 5, you will get 27 integer 1 upon 5. Now question number 7 you will see. Find 1 upon 2 of 2 integer 3 upon 4. Of means multiplication. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 2 integer 3 upon 4. First you will convert into fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. So 1 upon 2 into 11 upon 4. So 11 1s are 11 and 4 2s are 8. Divide 11 by 8, you will get 1 integer 3 upon 8. Now 1 upon 2 into 4 integer 2 upon 9. So 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2 will be 38. So 1 upon 2 into 38 upon 9 equal to 19 upon 9. You will cut 2 1s are and 2 19s are 38. So 19 upon 9 equal to, divide 19 by 9, you will get 2 integer 1 upon 9. Next one 5 upon 8 into 3 integer 5 upon 6. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 will be 23. So 5 upon 8 into 23 upon 6 equal to, 23 5s are 115 and 8 6s are 48. Divide 115 by 48, you will get 2 integer 19 upon 48. Now 5 upon 8 into 9 integer 2 upon 3. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2 will be 29. So 5 upon 8 into 29 upon 3 equal to, 29 5s are 145 and 8 3s are 24. So 145 upon 24. Divide 145 by 24, you will get 6 integer 1 upon 24. Question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? And what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Now, here, total water contained in the bottle is 5 liters. Okay. And water consumed by Vidya is 2 upon 5 of 5 liters. So, of means multiplication. 2 upon 5 into 5. So, 2 upon 5 into 5. 5 will be cut, equal to 2 liters. Now, water consumed by Pratap is 1 minus 2 upon 5. 1 minus means total part is 1 minus 2 upon 5. So, equal to 5 ones are 5. Cross multiply, 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 2 will be 3. So, 3 upon 5 of the total water. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. These are two fractions. 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 7 equal to, numerator will be multiplied by numerator, denominator will be multiplied by denominator, equal to 2 into 3 upon 5 into 7 equal to 6 upon 35. So product of fractions equal to product of numerators upon product of denominators. Now value of the products. Products of the two proper fractions is smaller than each of the two fractions. What are proper fractions? When numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. So 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5 equal to 8 upon 15. Then 8 upon 15 is less than 2 upon 3. Also 8 upon 15 is less than 4 upon 5. Now product of two improper fractions is greater than each of the two fractions. So what are improper fractions? That numerator is bigger, denominator is smaller. So 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 2 equal to 35 upon 6. Then 35 upon 6 is greater than 7 upon 3 and 35 upon 6 is greater than 5 upon 2. Now product of a proper and an improper fraction is less than improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. So 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 5 equal to 2 into 7 upon 3 into 5, that is 14 upon 15. Then 14 upon 15 is less than 7 upon 5 and 14 upon 15 is greater than 2 upon 3. Let us start with exercise 2.3. Question number 1. 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 3. So of means multiplication. 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. So 1 ones are 1 and 4 fours are 16. So 1 upon 16. 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 5. 3 ones are 3 and 5 fours are 20. So 3 upon 20. 1 upon 4 into 4 upon 3. 4 will be cut. So it will be 1 upon 3. 1 upon 7 into 2 upon 9 equal to 2 ones are 2. 7 nines are 63. So 2 upon 63. 1 upon 7 into 6 upon 5. 6 ones are 6 and 7 5s are 35. So 6 upon 35. 1 upon 7 into 3 upon 10. So 3 ones are 3. 7 10s are 70. So 3 upon 70. Now question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. So first one, 2 upon 3 into 2 integer 2 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. So 2 upon 3 into 8 upon 3 equal to 8 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. So 16 upon 9. Divide 16 by 9, you will get 1 integer 7 upon 9. 2 upon 7 into 7 upon 9. 7 will be cut. So 2 upon 9. 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. Here 4 ones are, no, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 upon 16. Now 9 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 equal to 9 3s are 27 and 5 5s are 25. 27 upon 25. Divide 27 by 25, you will get 1 integer 2 upon 5. Next one, 1 upon 3 into 15 upon 8. 3 ones are, 3 5s are 15. So 5 upon 8. Next one, 11 upon 2 into 3 upon 10. Here 11 3s are 33 upon 2 10s are 20. So 33 upon 20. Divide 33 by 20, you will get 1 integer 13 upon 20. And next one, 4 upon 5 into 12 upon 7. 12 4s are 48 and 7 5s are 35. Divide 48 by 35, you will get 1 integer 13 upon 35. Let us see question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. 2 upon 5 into 5 integer 1 upon 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 upon 4. So 2 upon 5 into 21 upon 4 equal to 21 upon 10. 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. So here 2 will come, 5 2s are 10. So 21 upon 10. It is improper fraction. When you will divide 21 upon 10, you will get 2 integer 1 upon 10. Okay. Now next one, 6 integer 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. It will be 6 5s are 30 plus 2 32 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. 32 multiplied by 7 is 224 and 9 5s are 45. This is an improper fraction, and again you have to divide 224 by 45. You will get 4 integer 44 upon 45. Next one, 3 upon 2 into 5 integer 1 upon 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 upon 3. So 3 3 will be cut, and 2 1s are, 2 8s are 16. 8. This is a whole number. Now 5 upon 6 into 2 integer 3 upon 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 will be 17 upon 7 equal to 5 upon 6 into 17 upon 7. 17 5s are 85. 6 7s are 42. So this is an improper fraction. Divide 85 by 42, you will get 2 integer 1 upon 42. Next one, 3 integer 2 upon 5 into 4 upon 7 equal to 5 3s are 15. 16 plus 2 16 17 equal to 17 upon 5 into 4 upon 7. 17 4s are 68 upon 7 5s are 35. Again this is improper fraction. Divide 68 by 35, you will get 1 integer 33 upon 35. Next one, 2 integer 3 upon 5 into 3 equal to 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13. 13 upon 5 into 3. 13 3s are 39 upon 5. This is an improper fraction. and so divide 39 by 5, you will get one integer 4 upon 5. Next one, 3 integer 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 5 equal to 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 will be 25 upon 7 into 3 upon 5, 25 3s are 75 upon 7 5s are 35. So it is an improper fraction. It can be written in the form as mixed fraction as 2 integer 1 upon 7. See question number 4. Which is greater, 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4 or 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8? So let us see. Of means multiplication. So 2 upon 7 into 3 upon 4, that is 3 upon 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here will be 7 2s are 14. So 3 upon 14. And 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 8, it will be 5 will be cut. It is 3 upon 8. Now here the denominators are different. So we have to convert it into the fraction with same denominators, that is like fractions. So 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8. The LCM of 8 and 14 is 56. So multiply 14 into 4 is 56. So 3 also multiply by 4 equal to 12 upon 56. 8 into 7 is 56 and 3 also multiply by 7. So it will 21 upon 56. Now both are having equal denominators. 12 upon 56, 21 upon 56. Out of this, 21 upon 56 is greater than 12 upon 56. So 21 upon 56 means 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 14. Therefore 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 is a greater fraction. Now second one, 1 upon 2 into 6 upon 7 equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 7 will be 3 will be cut. It will be 2 upon 7. Now one is 3 upon 7, other is 2 upon 7. So 3 is greater than 2. So 3 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 7. So 1 upon 2 of 6 upon 7 is the greater fraction. Question number 5. Siley plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. Now find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Now see, these are 4 saplings. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the distance between 2 saplings is 3 upon 4 meter, and there are 3 gaps. Okay, from the figure it can be observed that gaps between first and last sapling are 3. So length of one gap is how much? 3 upon 4 meter. So distance between the first and the fourth sapling equal to 3 into 3 upon 4. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 upon 4. Divide 9 by 4, you will get 2 integer 1 upon 4 meter. Now question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 1 integer 3 upon 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. So how many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Now let us see answer. Number of hours Lipika read the book per day. How much? 1 integer 3 upon 4. 4 1s are 4. Plus 3 will be 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 hours. So number of days are 6. So total number of hours required by her to read the book will be 7 upon 4 into number of days. So 7 upon 4 into 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So 7 3s are 21. So 21 upon 2 equal to, divide 21 by 2, you will get 10 integer 1 upon 2 hours. Let's see question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 upon 4 liters of petrol? Now total kilometer is 16 km. And now liter of petrol in 1 liter of petrol. So number of kilometers a car can run per liter of petrol is 16 km. Now quantity of petrol is 2 integer 3 upon 4 liter equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 3 will be 11 upon 4 liter. Now number of kilometers car can run for 11 upon 4 liter of petrol. So what we will do? 11 upon 4 into 16 equal to 44 km. Then so a car will cover 44 km distance by using 2 integer 3 upon 4 liters of petrol. Now you have to provide the number in the box. So let us see. Provide the number in the box such that 2 upon 3 into box is equal to 10 upon 30. So what you should multiply in the numerator for 10? To multiply by which number? So 5. 2 5s are 10. So 3 how many multiply will give 30? So 3 multiply by 10 will give 30. So 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10, it will be 1 upon 2 because 5 1s are and 5 2s are. So it will be 1 upon 2. Now simplest form of the number of 10 is 1 upon 2 because we will cut 5 1s are and 5 2s are. Now second question, provide the number in the box such that 3 upon 5 into box equal to 24 upon 75. 3 how many are equal to 24? So 3 8s are. And 5 how many are equal to 75? Yes, 5 15s are. So 8 upon 15. Now 8 upon 15 cannot be converted into mixed fraction. So the simplest form of the number obtained in the box is 8 upon 15 only. Solve the sums up to exercise 2.3 in your classwork. Thank you.